So in this quick tutorial video, we're going to learn how to create this type of AI ASMR video with Gemini Veo 3. So in the last video, if you watch this video, I shared two methods where you can create this type of AI video with two prompts in Google Flow AI video generation, where I shared the prompt method in the description box in that video, which the fruit made of crystal, and other template was the object or a fruit that is inside the crystal. So we're going to use the same prompt method in Gemini. So if you want to create video in Gemini, you need to have a Pro AI plan to create Veo 3 option. But if you have a Pro plan but you're not getting the Veo 3 option, you just need to use a VPN like me. After connecting to a VPN, you can use Veo 3 in your Gemini. So to create videos like this, you need a prompt just like this. So I'm going to give the prompt in my description, so you can just copy it. After copying the prompt from a description box, you just need to come to ChatGPT and paste it. And in the last part of the prompt, you'll find the option called carrot here. So this was the prompt for a crystal dragon fruit. So you just need to place a name here. So right now I'm going to make a video for watermelon. So I'm just going to change the name here, watermelon. You just need to give your own fruit that you want to create a video about. So for example, I'm using watermelon, and just give it to the ChatGPT. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, it gave me the prompt here. So you just need to copy the full prompt and go to your Gemini and paste it. First, you just need to select the generate with Veo 3 and paste the prompt, and after 1 to 2 minutes, this will generate your video. In this video, I also shared another prompt method where you can create this video where the object is inside the crystal like this. So if you want to get that prompt, watch that video. You'll find the link prompt in the description. I'll share this prompt in my description also. So our video has been created. Let's see the video. So that's it, guys. This is very easy to create in Gemini. So if you found this video helpful, this is the video that I want to share with you, that you can also create this type of video in Gemini, and also you can watch this video to learn how to create in Flow. So subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.